Oh man, what is all this stuff? Well, at least you can tell the dog has had some fun. Anyway, good morning guys and welcome to the channel. As you can tell by now by the thumbnail of the video, well, we got pulled over. So that is going to be like the end of the clip, or kind of like the middle per se. Or actually I'll probably put it in, you know, rather soon or something. I don't know where I'm going to put it in the video, but we did get pulled over in the F450 and the cop was very nice. So I do want to go out there and say thank you. He could have been a lot more strict and a lot more stern about everything like that. But, you know, I'm thankful that he, you know, kind of gave me the lesser of the fines. And at the end of the day, you know, it was my fault. So with that being said, we are actually going to pretty much start a new job today. As you do know, we do have the F450. It's kind of snowed in. We do have the 6.0 here, and we still have the customer's F150 up here. However, I've kind of been driving the Aveo around because it gets good fuel economy, and you know, I just actually like driving this. So this is what we're going to drive today. So I will see you guys. Hopefully the new job will allow me to record. They kind of already know what I do and everything like that. And I kind of, you know, broke that out to them and told them, you know, I might record during the day and things like that. If they're okay with it, they're okay with it. So, you know, let's kind of rock and roll. It's not gonna be nervous for me. I don't think it's gonna be nervous for them, but let's get in the car and, you know, we're gonna start the new day. We're gonna start a new job today, guys. I'm excited. Let's get in the Aveo. Man, definitely got, ow, like cut my fingers. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of hurt a little bit. Well, let's get you guys a cold start. Oh. Oh, I can't get in. Now, if I remember correctly, it's only about 28 degrees. Turn down my copyright. 25 degrees outside. Man, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am absolutely freezing. I think it's time for some new batteries. We've even had her plugged in and she's 118 degrees. Battery volts, 10. Well, I'd say it's time for some new batteries. Let's jump over here to the 6.0 and see if that won't start. As of right now, the F450 won't, so this is definitely a cold start. This truck was not plugged in. Let's hope for the best. Oh, look at that. The 6.0 almost started. Oh, you are not technically on camera until now. The 6.0's alive.
6.0's alive, eh? Look at that.
Well, I didn't think the truck that I figured wouldn't start started. All right, round two. No sense even getting a cold start because, well, that 6.0 is pretty loud over there. See if we got any different voltage this time. Oh, we got some fire in the hole now. Oh boy. All right, well, let's hope we didn't get fired and let's get to work. And because I know how the YouTube world works, they'll yell at me if I didn't clean off the roof. We got all the snow and ice off of the truck, so let's hit the road. What in the... pulled over, and then that rides by. Where in God's creation am I at? Oh, man. All right, guys, so we have arrived. I have you in my hoodie. I'm getting out of the truck now. Like I said, the guy does know I do YouTube. I'm not sure how well you guys can hear me or anything, but I'm a bit nervous. I'm definitely late. I'm probably about an hour and 10 minutes late, but hopefully it goes well. Wish me luck, guys. I'm nervous. I haven't had a job like job in years.
Hello, are you Steve?
I am.
Hey Steve, how you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Hey, you want to come over here and step in my office for a minute? I need to talk to you about something.
Yes, I will.
All right, come on and sit down here, sir.
Oh, I guess I should put my phone on silent.
Yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea. I mean, job interview and all, you know.
Yes.
So it's nice to see you.
Sorry, I'm running a little late.
Well, yeah. Well, is there a reason why you're running late, or like, what's going on, man?
I drive a Ford, so it was a little hard to get started.
I can understand that. I can understand that. I have a Duramax, and it's a little bit better than a Ford, but you know, I can accept that. Yeah. So, you know, the one thing we require here at this performance shop is, you know, on time is very important to us.
Okay.
We want to make sure that, you know, when we have an employee, you know, coming here to get hired for a job, or a potential employee to get hired for a job, we would like to see you be here on time. Now, it's okay that you're late for the interview.
Okay.
But if I do end up deciding to hire you, I would be more appreciative of either a notice, maybe, or
yes, sir,
you just showing up on time like a regular employee, you know, because we do have a very set schedule here, and you know, that just, you know, would be appreciated.
Yes, sir.
All right, so if you're interested and if you can make it on time, we're going to start you off at $5.25 an hour.
Okay.
With 25% benefits.
Okay.
Okay, and you get a free hat.
Sounds good.
Is this something you're interested in? Think you can take on?
I'm willing to try.
All right, well, I guess we'll see how it works, and we'll start you off, and we'll do about a week here, and after about a week, we'll see where you're at. We'll raise you up 15 cents.
Sounds good.
All right. Well, nice to. You're fucking it up. Oh, shit.
I heard that it's hard to vlog a vlog.
We have Steve here, guys. We have Steve.
It is absolutely hard to vlog a vlogger.
All right. Hey, how about we do this? How about we do this?
If we all get in the same shot?
Hi, everybody. We are working all together.
I can't do this because I'm short.
Andy doesn't have long enough arms. He's got to be the one out front.
He's short. He needs a step stool to even work on the car, first off.
You know, wait, what? Oh, Mike.
Guys, this is way too much right now.
The only thing that's videoing is the roof.
Put it down a little bit. That's too far down.
Unbelievable.
Guys, this is way too much right now.
This is way too much.
We're trying to get an engine in a vehicle right now. It is not working out.
Literally, I'm just down here to make my $5.25 an hour. Monday through Friday, get in and get out. You know,
$5.25 an hour. Wait, Friday you get a raise.
Friday I do get a raise. It's a 15-cent raise, which I'm ecstatic about. Yeah. I'm going to be able to buy lunch Friday.
Yeah, lunch.
Yeah.
For one day.
For one day. That's it. There's just so much screaming going on.
I hear a word you're saying over the podcast. All right,
these motherfuckers are
guys,
just here for their own.
I'm gonna walk away.
Anyway, guys, we got a lot going on here. I came down here to start my first day at work. Andy, thank you for hiring me.
Hey, no problem, buddy. I'm here for you.
Hey, bud, thanks for showing up late today.
I was here just a little bit late.
Yeah, way to show up
Max,
late.
what the hell are you doing?
I drive a Ford, so I was a little late.
Get back to work.
Hey, late's never better.
I am about ready to kill myself.
Later's better than never.
What the
I
fuck
think
is
they
this?
say.
I don't
What the
know.
hell's going on?
I don't know what he's saying either.
No idea, man.
Why is he
I need
quiet?
everybody to go down in the comments right now and say, Max, get back to work.
No, we're not bringing that back.
Yes.
It's not happening.
Max, get back to work.
You know how to use that thing?
All right, so phase one is obviously getting the engine hoist out. Max, you're doing a fantastic job here.
Yeah, you know, I just gotta do something to get the ball rolling.
Yeah, definitely.
We've been a little bit slacking off.
We've been a little preoccupied. Little preoccupied, but we're here to resolve that. We're here to give Andy a hand, and we're gonna get this engine laid in the C7 tonight. It's gonna happen.
It's happening.
I just hope I get the job after this.
Hey, once you're hired for life. Look at me. I'm, you know, I've been not working
In and out,
for
in and
about
out.
a year now, and well, I'm here.
Yeah, definitely.
So-
I just hope you make more than the $5.25 an hour I'm signed up for.
Oh, I was doing all right.
Yeah,
You know, but
yeah.
you know, you're a starter.
Yeah, you know, you gotta
haven't
start
been-
somewhere,
you've
that's why I'm
never
not
worked in a
upset.
shop before,
Yeah,
so.
that's why I'm not upset. You know, you guys gotta start somewhere. Yeah,
Steve, we're actually doing some work.
we're gonna get some work done. Do we have a chain or anything around here? Oh, there's a chain in the bottom. I see it.
There's a chain right
All
there.
right,
We're gonna
let's get
slide
this
her in
over.
kind of.
Oh,
Look at that. Yeah, up right
there you go. All
Yeah,
right.
lined up now, boys. So,
Don't worry about us, Andy. You do your thing.
Yeah, we're gonna set up a chain on this. We're gonna yank this motor up. We gotta put the back cover on this this engine,
Yes.
and then the flywheel, and we stick her in there. So,
I'm ready.
to do this, Steve?
Do we have the back cover?
Yes, we do. It was somewhere around here.
We'll find it. It's got to be amongst this stuff somewhere.
It's somewhere
Actually,
in this general facility.
actually, I forgot. His ports are over there.
Oh wait, his parts.
Yeah, his ports are all over here
General
somewhere.
facility.
Yeah,
So
we'll find it. We'll
let's-
find
let's-
it. Yeah,
let's, you know, we're
we
playing.
got it.
What is it? Where's Waldo?
Definitely.
Okay, let's
Is it like my dog?
Where you
Is it
at?
gonna come?
Where you at? All right, let's find this thing.
All right.
Flex plate to
All right,
torque
boss.
converter
So,
fastener.
what are we doing here?
We're looking for torque.
No. SendIt Steve doesn't have torque specs. Where's the impact?
Whoa, what the fuck?
Give me the impact.
Good.
All right. Well, since I don't use torque specs and everybody knows it,
Dude. Fuck. I can't.
I'll hold.
Holy fuck, dude. What the fuck?
Well, as you guys can tell,
Oh my god. Up this one right there.
This one.
Yeah, that one there. Holy
as you guys can tell, I don't use torque specs, so we're gonna do this one the right way.
Oh my freaking god, this sucks, guys.
All right, and it's in.
Yes.
Yeah, eventually, just not right now.
Put the damn jack.
I thought we were putting a jack stand under it.
Job, yeah.
Steve.
Do your job. I hired you for a reason.
I thought you said let's put a jack stand under it.
God.
I thought the whole reason for the car to be in the air was to put a jack stand under it. When you lower it down, the jack stand did the work.
Yeah, he does have a pretty good point.
I thought that's what we were doing. That's why the car went in the air. Is it not? All right, I'll get a jack stand under there. Stand by. All right, guys, and just like that, my first day of work is complete. We have the engine in where it needs to be.
I'm just gonna have Steve commentary this.
It was sort of a task. I'm not gonna lie.
It was
It was definitely a task.
Honestly, the proper way to do
All right,
this.
so we actually have the engine in, guys.
Oh my
The engine is
gosh,
in.
this is
I'm sorry, I
why-
was late.
This is
We
why
had to-
only one person can
we had to
vlog at a
with the
time.
lift because of Max.
No, we're
I
leaving
pressed
that
the
out.
button and it went hot.
It went hot, and we were like, we got a little panicky.
I'm leaving that out on my
Oh, no.
vlog. So
Me too.
we have the engine in. It was a little bit of a task.
It was.
Obviously, Mitch took it out, so we didn't 100% know what needed to be loosened or, you know, what he did to take it out. So
Yeah.
obviously we had to understand that we had to take the rack out. And
All right, guys, me doing this like
Oh.
38,000 times. The proper way to do this has the heads off, the front pulley off, and the power steering rack out. It'll slide right in with no problem. So
Obviously, the heads were on and the front pulley was on because it would just make it easier for installation.
I walked completely into this.
It's like 11 o'clock at night right now, but the
I can-
engine
Is
the
it?
engine is in! The freaking C7, guys!
I know it's a miracle.
So we're
I-
gonna
It's only been
we're gonna call it
been 10 months.
Oh, fuck you! My man.
Okay, well,
Are you guys done now? Are you guys, can I close out? Can I close out?
Man, you're good.
All right, guys. Well, with that being said, we now have the engine in the C7.
Penis!
Thanks for my first day at work. I had a blast.
Hey, no problem, buddy. No problem.
Am I looking for like coming back again, or
I mean, if you want to come back tomorrow morning at like 8,
your mornings and my mornings are a little different? Anywho, with that being said, guys, I hope you like the content. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Thank you for watching.
all right, guys.